So we're in Marseille, France, and this morning we climbed to the top of Notre Dame de la Gare, and it was quite a hill climb. And you can sit out here and look out over the city of Marseille. Here we have the ancient port, which was used by the Greeks and then the Romans. I'll have a separate video on that later once I get a chance to process everything. And then as we pan out across the bay, you can see a set of islands. And what's really cool is that's Chateau d'If, which is in apparently a lot of movies. We're not going to go out there. It's a little windy, and honestly, we're kind of to the end of our trip here. So I'll be processing my videos, as I said, and if you want to see more on our visit to Provence, just keep watching my channel. They'll probably trickle out over the next couple of weeks.